This is so satisfying. I can't even tell you. I went to buy gloves and then instead I ended up buying tipping caps. Tipping caps. What's a tip cap? Have you used a tip cap? Tip tap. Tippity cat. A little tip cap. Cap for your tips. Oh my god. Check it out, y'all. Wow! You might think, wow, it looks like something you'd put on your head when it's raining outside. You think, oh, this looks like something little Bo Peep would be wearing. And although both assumptions may be correct, this is also for highlights. Just for short hair. Highlights for short hair. Max 3 or 4 inches. I'm serious. So this cap has a bunch of holes all over it that are essentially the same distance apart from one another. There is plastic on the inside that you would then poke through to pull the hair out. I learned how to do this in cosmetology school, but I've never done it to myself. So we're gonna do this together. Yeah, the needle should be in here. 12 count plus 1 free needle. Ah, there we go. So it kind of reminds me of like a sewing needle a little bit, or like a crochet needle. I'm not a sewer. So, let's mix some bleach. I don't think I'm gonna need that much bleach, but we'll see. Okay, we'll do 20 grams. 21 on accident. Oh, that's a little bit more than that, but that's fine, it's fine. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared. My bleached hair has grown out so much. Oh my goodness. Doing highlights is going to blend this grown out blonde perfectly. Do I have a bowl cut right now? Do I have a bowl cut? Oh, okay, we gotta tie it tightly. I've never felt cuter before in my life. Definitely raining outside. Ow! We're taking the hooked end of the needle and I'm going to poke through one of these holes and we are going to pull through some hair. Bam! Bam! Look at that. Now we just have to do that like 50 million more times. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, actually, this is fairly easy to do on yourself. I am in full support of everyone doing this at home. I'm literally just feeling for the holes at this point because I can't see anything. Oh my, that was so much. That was too much right there, but I'm committing to it. We're gonna be blonde, blonde. These highlights are gonna be so cute. This is some arm work right here. If everyone likes this video right now and sends it to their best friend, then maybe I can finish. Go ahead. I need to take a break. My arms are tired. Y'all, I am weak. Give me a minute. We are all tipped. Now I'm a little nervous because if I get bleach in these holes, then that's just like, that's just bleach somewhere in a spot on my head. But you know, I think we'll be fine. I feel so cute. It's cool, it's cool, it's fine, it's cool. We're just brushing it on there. Yeah. We're bleaching, we're bleaching, we're bleaching away. Bleaching away our worries. And our stress of today. I'm gonna like comb through it a bit and make sure everything is coated. Because if I missed anything, that would be sad. I'm feeling good. I feel like I don't have to do this, but I'm gonna put a cap on my cap. Little Bo Peep. Who? Oh, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I got a little distracted. Alright, let's see how it looks. Now, I will say closer to the roots, it is looking a bit more like darker yellow, orangish, which I guess is just bound to happen anyway. So I'm not that mad. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's get some of the bleach off on this towel. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is so satisfying. I can't even tell you. I want to highlight just the very front of my hair. Ugh. So it doesn't just look like I got spots throughout it, but not in the very front. Why does my forehead look so big right now? Am I just not used to seeing my forehead anymore? So we're gonna go like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Bam! Beautiful. Today is quite the day for hair transformation in between looks, isn't it? I don't know how or why, but I feel like it's giving Jersey Shore somehow. Oh my goodness. Oh, we are blonde under there. I've never successfully done highlights on myself, ever. I only attempted to once before I went to school. Y'all, look at that! I really have no idea how well the rest is going to blend in. I'm gonna shampoo, do a little hair mask, and we'll see how it looks. Wish me luck. No, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking pretty good. Did I just master the highlights at home for Pixie cuts? Maybe I did. And here we have it. Y'all, I am so obsessed. Oh my goodness. This looks so much better than I ever could have imagined. And y'all, other than this taking up like an hour of my time, this was so easy to do. Y'all, if you have short hair like me, grab yourself some tipping caps because this works. I do think adding the little foils in the front did a lot as well. I mean, I do style my hair forward, but when I start styling it back, look at this dimension. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Y'all, I'm feeling blonde. No toners, just the bleach, and then just a hair mask. Bleach and bleach alone, baby. I hope this inspired some of you to take your hair into your own hands and save a little bit of money and learn a little bit. If I can do it, you can do it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.